Today is 25th, sorry, I think it's 24th of January 2019. We are in Hong Kong and we're doing a hike from Violet Hill down to Tai Tam Reservoir and Butterfly. Lovely. And to the waterfall. That's where we'll start. We're going and going. Very nice views. Again, very exposed. Make sure you put your sunblock. Better safe than sorry. So we're basically on top of the Violet Hill. Look at the view. Isn't that amazing? This is so windy, so nice. After those stairs, perfect. You will see poles like that all over Hong Kong. The W, that's a sign of Wilson Trail. H, sign of Hong Kong Trail. Winter in Hong Kong is very mild. Usually it's like 1 or 2 weeks in the whole winter, where it gets about 10 degrees. Sometimes like at night goes to 8, which is quite bearable as long as you have clothes and scarves. Also January is a super polluted month, so keep that in mind if you plan a trip to Hong Kong. Views are not as great and air is unhealthy, literally. And we're reaching the bridge. That's where you can start climbing the twins, which are there, up there. Somewhere that way goes to Repulse Bay, and we're going that way. That's the map if you get lost. So we started here, Hong Kong Parkview, and went through the Violet Hill, down the stairs, and we're here. Oh, there's the bridge, that's where we're going. And we're gonna turn somewhere here and join this road. And the waterfall should be here. And we're gonna finish there at the Tai Tam Road on near the dam. So we continue our walk. And now we're gonna walk through the forest. Flowers at my feet. Another stream. Very dry stream. Hello. You're beautiful. I believe that leads to the stream where we're going. There are fishes in there, but I think you're not allowed to fish in reservoirs as well. Yep, see? No fishing, no swimming, and no dogs. How lovely is that? You can do barbecue in here. This is so nice. I think we reached our trail, the fork where it leads to the waterfall. It's basically the first fork, so you can't miss it. That's pretty. Right now we are on a Hong Kong trail. Remember I mentioned H means Hong Kong trail, W is the Wilson Trail. Wilson Trail is the Violet Hill. So, in Hong Kong there are a lot of animals. If you not expect them, they may surprise you, not in a nice way. We have wild boars. They're usually quite friendly as long as you're not chasing them or threatening them. We have snakes, lots of different kinds, and a few of those are poisonous. We have pythons as well, but mostly in Sai Kung areas. I haven't heard of pythons anywhere else. And as I know, in Hong Kong Island there are no monkeys. They're only in Kowloon side. Neither I've heard about monkeys in Lantau or Lama. We have some sort of lemur, which is not a lemur but very similar looking. To be honest, I forgot the name of it. I've seen it only at the dusk. I believe it's a night animal, which makes it really hard to spot. Well, other animals probably won't scare you as much. So those are who you have to know about before you start hiking. Never forget your bottle of water. Please bring your own reusable water bottle. Please use sunscreen, safety first. Some hikes are quite exposed to the sun, so you don't want to be a sunburn and have other health issues. Mosquito repellent, shoes with a very good grip. Oh, I can hear a waterfall. Yes, please do take your little home. Since it's winter time, in Hong Kong it's a dry season, so it hasn't been raining in quite a while. So I don't know how it's gonna look after the rain, you know? Maybe there is another way to go to the stream. How are we doing? We are definitely getting closer. I'm quite used to the canyoning and scrambles, so I can do it even with one hand and the other one holding a GoPro. But make sure you are safe. That was not too bad. Oh yes it is! Oh my god! And no one here. You know what? I'm gonna go in. And it's 3:37 and we're going back to the trail. I can hear cars, which means we almost done the hike. It was an amazing hike. I'm super happy I've done that today. The weather turned out to be perfect and the timing I chose to do the hike was amazing. I think the light on the waterfall was just perfect. I was there around 3:15, 3:30 I think. I reached that point. I hope you enjoyed the hike and I'll see you next time. I'm going to take a bus to Taiwan and go home, but you actually can try to catch a taxi from here and go to Shek O, for example. I think that's the closest beach. It's a small lovely beach where you can eat in the restaurant. Do you see the map right there? That's where we finished, and that's the bus stop. Bus number 14.